Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 17 Pro Max 12 gigabyte, and you can see this capacity is 100% and cycle count of 47%, 47 times, and also this is a LL version, means this is US version, and you can see the shining logo and no scratch here, and you can see the port, no problem the port, and okay, you can see the button, no problem. You can see the top, okay, no problem here, no scratch here. Okay, let me show you the, you can see the battery capacity at 100% and the cycle count 47, and let me show you the specification. You can see this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max LL version and 512 gigabytes. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me. I'm in the wholesale market about the iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. You can see a lot of machines. You can see different model for the iPhone 15, 16, and 17. This is 17 Pro Max, a beautiful machine, 100% the battery capacity. Sorry, let me show you one more time the battery capacity. Okay, this one, beautiful machine, beautiful color. You can see the shining logo. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the iPhone in this market, and see you in the next video. You can see the screen, no scratch here. Okay, you can see no scratch. The screen, no scratch here. Some dust. Okay, no problem. The screen, beautiful screen, beautiful iPhone, beautiful iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay, see you in the next video.